I recently discovered this free website to make money with Clickbank affiliate marketing. This website has over 700,000 visitors each month, and importantly, the users that visit this website are from countries like United States, Netherlands, United Kingdom, and so on. I use this website myself for Clickbank affiliate marketing, and I was able to make $70 within just 2 days. Let me reload this page and show you this is money I made with Clickbank affiliate marketing. I will even go to reports and select the date and you see the actual transaction. This total is the same amount that you see here. This might not look like a lot of money, but like I said, I recently started this affiliate marketing method, and when I continue, it will make passive income in the coming days. I will break down this affiliate marketing strategy into 4 simple steps so you can follow along and make money. You don't need any money at all to get started. This method is absolutely free. The best part is that you can directly add your Clickbank affiliate links so you don't need any website. The first step is to select a Clickbank product to promote. Now, this is important when selecting an affiliate product to promote with the website I'm about to show you. You need to find an activity based affiliate product for this method to work. What I mean by activity is that it could be an affiliate product related to hobbies or sports. On Clickbank, you can choose home and garden or sports to find such affiliate products. For this video, let me use this woodworking product. This product has high gravity, which is a good indication that people are buying this product. Importantly, you make $62 with just one sale. When you're not spending any money to make $62 with just one affiliate product, I would say that's a pretty good result, isn't it? Click on promote button and copy the affiliate link. Then go to a link shortening website like bit.ly and can make the link look good. Moving on to step 2, I will show you how to get free traffic to your affiliate product using the website I recently found. Do you want to know the website name? Then give this video a like and let me show you how you can use this website. Don't head over just yet to this website because I will show you some bonus tips which I got to know when using the website to actually get people to visit your affiliate link. The website is DTube. In simple terms, it is a decentralized video platform built on top of cryptocurrency tech. Like YouTube, you can watch videos on YouTube. Don't worry, you don't need to create any videos. I'm going to show you the exact method how you can get traffic to your affiliate link. We are going to use this website for Clickbank affiliate marketing. The top ranking videos are the videos that get a lot of VPs. Even when you type keywords in search, the videos that come are the ones which have a higher VP count. So there is no guesswork with the algorithm. All you need to do to get views is to get these VP points, and you can get that for free. I will show you how towards the end of the video. Now imagine this. If you can get 100 people to watch a video related to this affiliate product and out of that just 2 people buy, then you can make over $100. Keep watching. I will show you the way you can promote the video for free so that you can make money with Clickbank affiliate marketing. Here you see a few others already doing this. They are adding the direct Clickbank affiliate link in the video description. Here is another example of the same product. You can do the same and make money with Clickbank. Just follow these steps closely. Go to signup.t.tube and you will see a page like this. I will explain later about these VP points and how you can use them to promote your video for free. Click on the start button, then enter your date of birth and email and click next. You need to confirm that you are not a robot and then click send mail. Then check the email you gave. You should see an email like this with a link. Click on that link. It will then show that you have verified the email. While linking your Facebook and phone is optional, I recommend that you do it because this will earn you voting points called VP points, which you can later use for promoting your videos. Since I'm creating a test account to show you the steps, I will skip it for now. The next stage is the most important step. You will get details on how you can log in, save this file in a safe location, then click confirm. Now, this step is important. But before we move on, if you're new to this channel, it's all about actionable tips and tricks to grow your audience and income. So be sure to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when value packed videos like this are uploaded. What's important here is to give a name related to your affiliate product. For example, if you are using this woodworking affiliate product, then give a name like woodworking plans along with 2 digits. Then it will show you the screen with the BP points you got. If you linked your Facebook account and did the phone verification, this part will also be green and you will get the BP points. Next, click on Create My Account. Then your account will be created and you can visit the channel by clicking the link. You will see a page like this with the VP points that you got. The next step is also an important step. I will show you how to promote the Clickbank affiliate link. If you don't want to create any videos, there are 2 ways you can easily get videos to upload. Every Clickbank product has an affiliate resource page which contains affiliate resources. For example, here you see they offer images, keywords, email, and look. They also provide videos which they have created. So you can just download this and get all the videos. The other way to find videos is by going to YouTube and searching for product reviews or a product demo for the affiliate product you chose. And then in the filters, you need to select Creative Commons. Just copy the video link. You don't need to download it. Depending on the method you use, the way you upload will be different. So follow this carefully. Once you log in to your account, on the top right, click the upload icon and you will see a page like this. If you use a YouTube video with Creative Commons, then click third party and then paste the YouTube URL here. For the purpose of this video, I'm just using a random video. Click next and then all the information will be auto-populated. But before you hit publish, there is one thing you need to change. Remember to add the affiliate product link which you got from step 1 into the description, then click publish. If you got a video from the affiliate vendor website, then click the file upload box, keep the default and it will upload your video. At the title and description, include your affiliate link you got from step 1. The next step is where you use your VP points to promote the video. Click promote this video and drag this bar to how many VP points you want to allocate. The more points you allocate, the better chance you have of your video going viral and actually making sales. This is why I recommended when registering for DTube for you to get the extra VP points by linking your Facebook account and giving your mobile. I have created several other videos on how to make money with Clickbank. Watch this video next and see which method you like best.